to teach Unit 5, Lesson 2. Okay, Unit 5, Day 2. Alright, so first of all, let's look at the vocabularies. Here, so now it is 2021, okay, 2020 or 2019. So here we say year, okay? Y, we say year, right? EAR, here we say year. So year, okay? So year, what year is it right now? It's 2021, or you can say 2021. Alright, and months, here, the next one, say month. Oh, here we say okay, a book, a pencil, so month. TH, here we say, okay, so months, okay, month, like now it is May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, okay, they are months, okay, and let's look at the first one, okay, so EAR, here we say year, and month, month, okay, and next one we say week, walk, W, we say walk, double E, and what else we say E, silent E, EA, E. Okay, ready? Let's repeat one time. Ready? Go. E silent E. E, E. So week. Okay, so week. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days in a week. Okay, how about month? There are 30 or 31. Okay, sometimes we have 28 and 29. Okay, 30 days in a week, in a month. Okay, and 365 days in a year. Okay, and next one we say once. O-N here we say O here special, okay? So we say one, okay? Wo. Very special. We don't say we don't say okay? So once, C-E. So once, okay? Means one, okay? One time. Okay, next one we say twice. T-W, we say two. I space E, we say I. I-E, I-G-H, we say I, okay? And C-E, okay? So send C-E, ice, twice, okay? Twice means two times, alright? Okay, so clap your hands once, ready, go? This is once, and clap your hands twice, okay, ready, go? Okay, twice, and clap your hands 3 times. 3 times. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And clap your hands 4 times. Okay, ready? Go. Yes, okay, clap your hands 10 times. Ready? Go. Yes, 10 times. Okay, so everybody say 10 times. 10 times. 8 times. 8 times. 3 times. 3 times. And how about here? We say once. And twice. T-W, two. I-C-E, we say ice. So eyes, twice. Oh, my marker. Okay, so how to spell twice? T-W-I-C-E. Okay, how to spell times? T-I-M-E-S. Okay, how to spell week? W-E-E-K. And how to spell once? Once, O-N-C-E. How do you spell year? Year, Y-E-A-R. How do you spell month? Month, M-O-N-T-H. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, so I go to my grandparents' house every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. Alright? Okay, where's my mouse? Okay, so let's put it bigger. Bigger. Okay, so I go to my grandparents' house. Is it too long? Okay, this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Is it clear if I use green marker? Okay, let's use black. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All the ink. Okay, so there are 7 days in a week. So we say week. Okay, well, week. Okay, so how I go to my grandparents' house. I visit my grandparents. Grandmother, grandfather, plus S. Okay, I visit my grandparents I said Wednesday, right? Every Wednesday. Every Friday. Every Monday. Okay? So how many days are there? 1, 2, 3. So we can say 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, this is a week. 1 week here, right? So 3 times a week. Can you see the words over there? Okay, sure. Okay, so everybody say, I visit my grandparents 3 times a week. How about one more check? We say 4 times a week. 5 times a week. Very good. And how about here? We say not 1 time. We say once. O-N-C-E. Okay, C. Okay, so once a week. Once a week. Go. I visit my grandparents once a week. Okay? How about here? Is it 2 times? No, we say twice. Okay, so everybody say, I visit my grandparents twice a week. Okay, very good. Okay, so now if I don't know. Do you visit your grandparents once a week? Do you visit your grandparents 3 times a week? Or do you never visit your grandparents? No, I don't know. I don't know here. Blah, blah, blah. So question, we will say, how often? Okay, how often? Okay, everybody ready? How often? How often? Okay, and I say I. So question, can you say how often do I? No, you say how often do you? Okay, how often do you visit? You visit my grandparents? No, visit your grandparents. sentence. Okay, so one more time, ready, go. How often do you visit your grandparents? Okay, I visit my grandparents twice a week, once a week, or 3 times a week, or every day, okay? Every day, or I never visit my grandparents, okay? So now, let's change into uncle. Question mark, okay? Ready? How often, go. How often do you visit your uncle? I visit my uncle. What is it? Once a week. Very good. Once a week. Alright. Okay, so now, how often do you visit your uncle? I visit my uncle twice a week. Okay? So now let's take a guess. Let's change into friend. Friend. How often do you visit your friend? How often do you visit your friend? Okay? And you have to give me your answer. Okay? I visit my friends, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Ready? How often do you visit your friend? I visit my friend. I visit my friend once a week. Okay? How often do you visit your friend? How often do you visit your friend? I visit my friend. Okay? How often do you visit your friend? How often do you visit your friend? 3 times a week. Okay, 3 times a week. Okay, so now, everybody, I said do you, right? Do you, and how about if I change into, I don't want you, okay, I change into he. Can I say do he? No way, so you say, you do, she does. Okay, so how often does he visit, can I say your friend? He, so visit his friend. Okay, visit his friend. Does he, so he, now he does. He, you visit, he, she visits. Okay, he visits, let's use black. His friend, blah, blah, blah. How often does he visit his friend? Okay, so he visits his friend once. Okay, how often does he visit his friend? He visits his friend. Okay, how often does he visit his friend? He visits his friend. Don't forget times. Okay, so now take a guess. Take a guess. How often does he visit his cousin? How often does he visit his cousin? Okay, he visits his cousin, blah, blah, blah. Okay, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. Okay, so now I want you to answer my question. Okay, take a guess. Once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, or 6 times a week, or every day. Okay, And if you can get the answer correctly, okay, you can guess the right answer. When you come back, I will give you 2 stamps in your communication book. Okay? Are you finished guessing the answer? Okay, so I have already written my answer. Okay, so listen. How often does he visit his cousin? Say your answer out loud. Ready? Go. He visits his cousin. Okay, I'm going to give you my answer. 3, 2, 1. Twice. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, so now next one. How often? Let's change into Gabriel. How often does Gabriel visit his cousin? How often does Gabriel visit his cousin? Okay, so give me the answer. He visits. Are you ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. He visits his cousin a week. Okay, I'm going to show you my answer. 3, 2, 1. 3 times. Okay, 3 times a week. I hope you get the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so everybody let's read one more time. Then we are going to do the practice. Alright, ready? Go. How often? Go. How often does Gabriel visit his cousin? He. Go. He visits his cousin. Let's use once a week. And over here, Sunday. Go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Bye-bye. Okay, so now I'm going to open my file. Please hold on. 100 and where's my BTT? Okay, start from the first one. Okay, I hope you already know how the books, but stationery, pencil, eraser, and piece of paper. Okay, and water. If you want to go to the bathroom, you can just go now and pause your video. Okay, so first of all, look over here. They are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there are 12 squares. Okay, means 12 months. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, blah, 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 to December. So they are year. Okay, so how many years are there? 1. So we say a year. Okay, so I visit my grandparents only on May 1st. Okay, so how many times are there? Only 1 time, right? So we say once a year. Okay, everybody say once a year. Once a year. Okay, and if 2, so we say twice a year. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times a year. 10 times a year. Okay? Depends on how many times. Okay? And next one. Oh, go over here. This is July, right? This is July. And this is a month. Okay? 30 days in July. So, how many times? We can say twice a month. Okay? 3 times a month. 4 times a Okay? And how about if I only see this? So we say a week, right? How many times? Once, twice, 3 times. Okay, 3 times a week. Alright? And I'm going to do some practice. Let's see. Vocabulary practice. There are 12 blah 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 in a year. A. Years. B. Months. C. Weeks. Okay, I think you know the answer because 12 something, 12 years in a year, 12 months in a year, or 12 weeks in a year. The answer is 3, 2, 1. Ding dong. The answer is B. So let's read one more time. Ready, go. There are 12 months in a year. Okay. Next one. Because of COVID-19, 新冠肺炎 COVID-19, students don't go to school this A. Once, B. Week, C. Seldom, 3, 2, 1, bing bong, week. Okay, so let's read together. Ready, go. Because of COVID-19, students don't go to school this week. Okay, I swim 2 times a week equals I swim blah 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 a week. A. Once. B. 3 times. C. Twice. 2, 2, 2. So 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay, so twice a week. Okay, so I swim. Let's read a second sentence. Go. I swim twice a week. Okay, next one. Pattern. No. I think we should practice. Yeah. We should practice this first. Okay. So ready? How, and then how blah blah. How often? Finished? Okay, ready? Go. How often and do you what? Play tennis or tennis play? Play tennis. Question mark. Okay, everybody read the sentences one time. Ready? Go. How often do you play tennis? Okay, which one is first? Alright, ready, go. Week. Play once badminton. We play what? Badminton. And then we play badminton. Don't say badminton, okay? We once a week. Once a week. Very good. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Question mark. Okay, ready? How often? Which one? Does people? Tony visit his uncle? Question mark. Okay, so how often does Tony visit his uncle? Oh, sorry. Okay, so now we're going to do some translation. Okay, first one, when we see the Chinese words, we usually look here. Okay, so what does it mean? Once, twice, 3 times. Yes, once. Okay, how many weeks? 1. So we say a week. So everybody say once a week. Okay? And how many times? Once. And what's this? Day, right? How many days? 1 day. So we say a day. So go once a day. And how many times? Twice. So twice a month. Okay? And here 3 times a year. Okay? 3 times a year. Alright? Don't forget, say times. How many times first? And then is it a week, a day, a month, or a year? Okay? So let's read one more time. Once a week. Go. Once a day. Twice a month. 3 times a year. Okay. Oh, it's not easy to erase. Alright, okay, so look at the first one. We say how often. How often does, who does he visit whose grandparents? My grandparents? No, his. Don't say he grandparents. His grandparents. P-A-rent. R-E-N-T. Father and mother plus S. Okay? So ready? Go. How often? Go. How often does he visit his grandparents? Okay? So he, let's write over here. Okay, so he, this is a time. Okay, we put it later. He visit, you visit, he, she visits. He visits his grandparents. And then which one first? One a year or once. Don't forget, once a year. Okay, ready? Go. He visits his grandparents once a year. Okay? I'm going to erase it. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, so listen. How often? How often? And then this is play soccer. This is you. Okay? 你跟你们都是同一个字哦，哈。Okay, so how often you or how often does he? So how often do you? Okay, so how often do you play soccer? How often do you play soccer? Okay, and let's go to the next one. How often do you play soccer? So can you say we once, we 1 month, or we a month? No, 1个月1次。一起 we play soccer. Which one first? A month or once? Once a month. Okay? Ready? Go. How often do you play soccer? We play soccer once a month. Okay? So now, let's open your word book.